I will be talking about linear regression modeling and engineering practices. A linear regression model describes a relationship between a dependent variable y and one or more independent variables x. It involves finding the best straight line relationship to explain how the dependent variable y depends on an independent variable x. In engineering, linear regression is used many times to determine the best representation of experimental data when designing and analyzing complex engineering systems. The goal is to find or show the relationship that may exist between two or more values. Linear regression model for knowledge discovery in materials by Hasahali Dorswamy is a good example of using linear regression modeling in engineering practices. In this paper, linear regression is used to measure correlated data and predict certain attributed values from large material databases. The dependent variable y is tensile strength, and the independent variable x is yield strength. In their first model, they used 1,500 different types of polymers, and in their second model, they used 1,500 different types of metals. The goal for these models is to make the decision-making process in the material design phase and manufacturing process easier. Moving on to the results from the study, linear regression y equals 1.082x plus 2.205 was derived from the positively correlated polymer datasets in the database, and its coefficient of determination was 0.975. The linear regression model y equals 0.914x plus 72.03 for positively correlated metal datasets has a coefficient of determination of 0.9890. Both coefficients of determinations for the two models show a high prediction accuracy, with the metal having the higher prediction accuracy. These models show how they were able to predict an accurate linear relationship between tensile strength and yield strength, which are two mechanical properties. This helps to reduce their work in finding tensile strengths, which is usually done through physical experiments. This shows that the linear regression technique can be used for predicting properties of engineering materials. And in general, it shows that you can apply linear regression to predict more than one mechanical property by knowing existing properties.